Flower arrangements are a common gift on Mother's Day, but this year treat your mom to an extra special bouquet with flowers straight from your farm or garden. Hand-tied bouquets are perfect bouquets for beginners because they're extremely versatile and easy to make. You can use any flowers that you want and fit them to any vase. Just go out to your garden or pasture, snip your favorite flowers, and you're ready to get started. When you're gathering your flowers, there are 3 types you can choose from. Mass flowers, like roses, carnations, or irises, are great standalone flowers and draw attention to your arrangement. Line flowers, like snapdragons, larkspur, or gladiola, tend to define the shape of the arrangement and can give it extra height and width. Then you have your filler flowers, like Queen Anne's lace or baby's breath, which fill in the holes of your arrangement and give it the extra oomph you need to look complete. Your best bet for a nice arrangement is to get a combination of these types of flowers. Before you start your arrangement, start by removing any leaves from the part of the stem that will be submerged in water. This will help prevent decay of the stem, which will cause your arrangement to wilt more quickly. Next, choose a flower as your focal point of the arrangement. This can be any flower you want, but typically it's a mass flower, such as a rose like we talked about earlier. But really you can use whatever you want and will make your mom happy. It can be her favorite flower or just something that's blooming prominently in the garden this time of year. Then just start adding the other flowers around the main flower, making sure that the flowers are all facing towards you, not the center of the bouquet. As you add each ring around the flower, make sure that the outside flowers are just a little bit further down, so you're creating this nice round ball-like shape for your bouquet. Keep in mind that darker flowers cause visual weight, so you'll want to put those a little further down in the bouquet as well. If you have spike flowers, you can add them as a vertical element to your bouquet. And you want to think about cutting the bouquet into thirds and just distributing the spikes evenly around the center. Another option you have is to just put the spike a little further down like this so that it kind of droops. And really whatever you like best is what you should do with your bouquet. Once you have the flower arrangement the way you like it, you can use a zip tie to hold it in place. Then just start snipping the flowers stems to fit the vase that you're going to set them in. Make sure that you cut them at an angle to maximize water uptake. To avoid crimping the stems, I'm using floral shears to clip off the ends. If you use regular kitchen scissors, you'll sort of smush the ends of the stems and inhibit water uptake. So to keep your flowers fresher longer, try to find clippers that are suited for cutting flowers. And there you go! You have a nice little piece of your farm to take home to Mom.